Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Let's dive into making some anime-style AI-generated images today. First, open ChatGPT in one window. I've provided a prompt in the description that you can paste into it. Now, you might wonder, who is Masashi Kishimoto? For reference, we'll use an anime creator. Open another window and look up any anime creator you like. I'll go with Masashi Kishimoto for this video. Next, open another window and search for Leonardo AI. Launch the app, and then go to Image Generation. Switch the model or preset to Anime. For now, don't change any other settings. You can check out some of my earlier work for examples. Now, go back to ChatGPT and paste the prompt I provided. We'll modify the object in the prompt. For this demo, I'll go with rocket launch. You can choose any object you prefer. ChatGPT will generate a new prompt. But wait, that's not all. Type refine it, and GPT will refine the prompt for you, giving you a more polished version. Copy this refined prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Leonardo AI. You'll notice it costs 10 tokens. Leonardo AI provides 150 tokens daily. After hitting Generate, wait a few seconds, and voila! Your anime-style AI-generated image is ready. Doesn't it look amazing? Let's do another example. I'll take the original prompt from ChatGPT, change evening to night, and switch the object from rocket launch to city. Refine it again. Sometimes, GPT might give you two options. Just ask GPT to pick the best one. Once you get the final prompt, copy it and paste it into Leonardo AI. There you go, another stunning image. For the last example, let's adjust the image dimensions in Leonardo AI. You can select any resolution you like. I'll go for mobile resolution for the best results. Now, I'll repeat the steps and change city to hills. Refine the prompt, paste it into Leonardo AI, and voila! Beautiful anime-style images tailored for mobile screens. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you learned something valuable today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome videos like this.